A new era has come to continue this journey. Ski opening Schladming Dachstein, the grand festival. Be prepared for Bryan Adams, Sting, Simply Red,
gefolgt von Sting, Mick Hucknall von Simply Red, und die erste Limousine wäre für Bryan Adams reserviert. Dann geht es weiter mit Sting und Mick Hucknall und Simply Red.
Tantum verde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.
3.0, we call it O.
Yeah.
And I've gone back to being in a three-piece. I was in a successful three-piece at one time, maybe you know. And I did it because I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. You know, when you have a keyboard player and guitarists and singers, it's like you're driving a Mercedes, you know. So I wanted to get back to doing something more difficult and strip the songs down to their bare essence. And surprisingly, they still work. The structure is strong enough to withhold that kind of stripping away. So I'm enjoying it. I'm playing the bass and singing. I have a drummer. I have my long-time guitarist Dominic Miller on guitar, and we're having the time of our lives. And we will carry on. That's what you'll see in December, the three-piece. So I'm looking forward to it.
Can we also expect some new music with some new songs being released?
No.
Not at all?
No one wants to hear new music. They all want to hear the hits. Luckily, the three of us have enough hits to go on all weekend.
Also Sting hat gerade seine Tour gestartet, 3.0, Sting 3.0 in Europa. Es geht dann weiter in Nordamerika mit der Tour, und ich habe ihn über seine aktuelle Band gefragt, und es sind großartige Musiker, die sich zusammensetzen aus neuen Musikern, aber auch Musikern, mit denen er schon gearbeitet hat, und ihm war es ein Anliegen, etwas zu tun, was ihn seine Sicherheitszone verlassen lässt. Er wollte nicht länger sicher in einem Mercedes setzen, er wollte back to the roots und hat seine Hits genommen und sie auf die Essenz, auf die musikalische Essenz reduziert und sagt, die Musik funktioniert hervorragend, egal in welcher Form. Ich habe ihn gefragt, gibt es neue Musik von dir in Kürze mit dieser neuen Gruppe, mit dieser neuen Formierung? Sagt er, nein, ich habe auf alle Fälle genug Hits in meinem Leben geschrieben, also alle drei von denen, um einfach großartiges. Am I translating more than you ever said?
It's exactly what I said.
It's exactly what you said.
It's correct. Yeah.
Mick, it's such a pleasure to have you here. Next year, Simply Red is going to celebrate its 40th anniversary. Can we expect many more music from you, from Simply Red? I'm so glad that you decided to get back together.
Well, I just took a break to bring up my kid. That's kind of why I stopped. So she's 17 now. So I've been busy for 17 years, and I'll be back on tour in the autumn of 2025.
Where will it start? Do you know it already?
I've absolutely no idea. Oh, actually I do know. It'll be in the spring. We'll be in South America, in Mexico and Brazil and Chile. And then we come to Europe in the autumn of that year.
Wonderful. Oh, that will be exciting. So, er hat nächstes Jahr ist 40 Jahre Simply Red. Es hat eine kurze Pause gegeben, die hat er genutzt, um seine Tochter großzuziehen. Die ist mittlerweile 17 Jahre alt. Jetzt hat er wieder Zeit, um auf Tour zu gehen. Die Tour startet im nächsten Jahr 2025 mit einem Kick-Off in Südamerika und dann geht es weiter zu uns nach Europa. Das freut ganz, ganz besonders. Mick, for the 30th anniversary, you surprised your fans with Big Love album and song. Is there anything special planned for the 40th anniversary? New album, new song?
Well, I actually agree with Sting. Most of the time people want to hear the hits, and I'm looking. I think I might come and see you play with a three-piece. I think that's fantastic. Another bit of trivia about him and I is that my very first band, called the Frantic Elevators, opened for the police. We were the support act for the police at Manchester Polytechnic Cavendish Hall in 1978.
Oh my God!
And so we've come a long way.
You were already performing in this band? You were already performing in that band? With that band?
I was 18, that was my first band.
Oh my God. Also,
And we were absolutely thrilled
oh my God.
that we were opening because, they just had I think you were about to have a huge hit in America with Roxanne or just before then. So, let's see you again.
Also, Mick Hucknall war 18, mit seiner damaligen Band hat er tatsächlich als Vorgruppe von Sting gespielt und da haben sie sich schon auf der Bühne gesehen. Have you, all three of you, because I tried to find it out, were you ever on a stage together after each other?
Brian and I toured together a lot.
Yes.
In the early days. He was always the kid. And we met in New Zealand, I think.
Yeah. Well, actually, we met in Toronto in 1979,
We've been friends for a very long time.
1979.
Very long time.
But all the three of you, or will Schladming Dachstein be a first for you? To be on one stage, one after the other?
Yes.
Could happen. Also das ist eine absolute Uraufführung, alle drei Superstars nacheinander auf einer Bühne. Sting und Bryan Adams waren schon öfter gemeinsam auf Tour. Da haben wir jetzt gerade als kleine Trivia erfahren, dass auch Simply Red sich eine Bühne mit Sting schon geteilt hat. Also I'm so interested because I just asked you backstage if any of you have ever a day off, and I just got some really funny smiles, and I'm looking at you, Sting. How do you stay so active?
Well, this is a day off.
Is it?
Same.
Really?
So, yeah, it's not really a day off. The concept kind of escapes me. There's no days off. Even when you're sitting down, it looks like you're doing nothing. You're still thinking.
Ja.
You don't get days off in this job. You're constantly working.
Ja, also kein Tag frei, weil sowieso, auch wenn sie einen Tag frei haben und sie sagen, this is a holiday, also das ist jetzt gerade Ferien für sie, was uns natürlich sehr, sehr freut. Aber natürlich als Künstler hat man den Kopf immer voll mit Ideen. Any special sports? How do you stay 18 till you die, Mr. Adams?
Just do what you love.
And that is music and...
Yeah, just whatever it is that you love. That's how you stay young.
Ja. Also man macht einfach das, was man liebt, um jung zu bleiben, das ganze Leben lang. Das ist einerseits natürlich die Musik. And Mick, should I ask you what you do to stay fit and healthy and active? Because we are in a sports region. If you're here, you could go mountain biking, you could go hiking, skiing if you want. Fly fishing is also an option, but we also have great wine here.
Yeah, I like fly fishing.
I know.
Unlike these gentlemen, I've got 362 days off this year. So I don't work quite as hard as I perhaps should because I'm the house chef. So I cook for my family and do all that business.
Oh, that's good to hear because I'm a trained chef too. So maybe we exchange some recipes. Er sagt, im Gegensatz zu den anderen beiden, er hat 362 Tage frei und weiß eigentlich gar nicht, warum er überhaupt die anderen 3 Tage arbeitet. Er ist zu Hause, der Koch und kocht dafür die Familie. Is there a signature dish you would perform for us?
Apple strudel.
Well, I don't know.
What is your signature
Well,
dish?
I learned to cook Indian food first because I lived in the Indian community for about 5 years. place called Moss Side in Manchester that was full of Jamaicans and
Yeah.
Irish and Indians. So I learned to cook Indian food first.
That sounds good.
So I could probably make you a good curry.
I'd love that. Also er würde indisch für uns kochen, weil er eine Zeit lang in einem indisch besiedelten Bezirk gewohnt hat und da hat er sich viele Tipps geholt. Curry würde er für mich machen. I'm looking at you because I know that you spent some time in Austria, in Vienna. You lived there.
Yeah. I was
How
6.
come? When you were 6?
Yeah, my father was posted here with a diplomatic service.
Would you remember anything from that time?
Oh yeah. I remember the street we used to live on, Ebendorfer Straße.
Ebendorfer Straße. Oh my God.
Right by the Rathaus in Vienna.
Of course, First District.
I went to the American International School here, and we were here for 6 months.
So 6 Monate lang war er in Wien in der Schule in der American International School. Any food you remember from that time? Austrian delicacies?
Well, my brother and I used to sit in front of the cake shop and just look at the cakes.
Did you eat any?
Yeah, of course.
Also, no Schnitzel for you,
Or
also,
you.
also er ist mit seinem Bruder vor der Konditorei gesessen in Wien und hat sich die Torten und die Kuchen angeschaut und hat nur darauf gewartet, dass er den ein oder anderen isst. Sting, you're very famous also for doing very interesting musical projects concerning instruments like, for example, the lute. I loved that album. We have here some great Austrian musicians. Would you consider some brass music on your next album? So Austrian brass music.
I've always been fond of Strauss.
Oh, Johann Strauss.
Richard? No, Richard.
There are many Strausses.
I
Johann
don't mind Johann Strauss. I think Austrian music is lovely. But I don't think I need to add to it.
No collaboration with an Austrian musician?
I mean, come and join me. I don't. No, I'm not
I
planning.
can see it.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Well, let's both do it. Oh, the three of us.
I mean, just let's put it together for the show.
Is this a promise? Because we're definitely
No, it's
taking...
not a promise, darling. You're just railroading me.
Also er sagt, er lässt sich in nichts hineinreiten. Er liebt natürlich Kollaborationen mit den Musikern aus aller Welt, auch aus Österreich. Er ist ein Fan von der Strauss-Familie, aber er lässt sich da jetzt in nichts hineindrängen. Mick, would there be an interest in you to play with some traditional Austrian music or some fame? Do you know an Austrian musician?
Well, I can only say my wife was born in Vienna, if that's any kind of...
That is, now you've got the hearts from all of us, all of a sudden.
Divert, move on, change the subject.
Yeah, next subject.
Yeah, so wasn't that fella, your man, what's his name? Disco A Go-Go, whatever it was called. Einstein, what's it called? That famous...
Well, Falco, he had a #1 hit in America.
Is he Austrian?
He was Austrian,
There
yeah.
you
He
go.
was Viennese.
I know somebody.
Yeah, I'm sure you also know Mozart.
Never met the fella, but
No, you won't. I'm
no, I
sorry.
love Mozart. He's a good lad.
He's a really good lad. Unfortunately, not available. What are you looking forward the most for your concert day here in Schladming-Dachstein?
Well, I just like to perform. You know, my favourite thing is really when the audience is singing along with the choruses. I like getting the audience singing. You get a real sense of community spirit when you're all in there together doing it. That's part of the reason why most musicians enjoy the shows, is getting reaction from the crowd. Translate that.
Ja, of course. Also er freut sich ganz besonders an seinem Auftritt am 8. Dezember, dass er gemeinsam mit der großen Menge im Publikum singen wird. Das gibt ihm besonders ein gutes Gefühl, weil da spürt man die Emotionen am besten. Und natürlich alle Musiker stehen auf der Bühne, um genau dieses Gefühl zu genießen. Sting, what are you looking forward to your performance?
I'm looking forward to seeing my friends perform.
Oh really? Are you staying for 3 days?
I hope so.
That would be lovely.
I can go skiing, I can go sightseeing.
You should. That would be nice.
I'm a pretty good skier, but I ski slowly. I'm always intrigued by people who ski down at 200 kilometers an hour and they don't see anything. I like to ski and look at the scenery.
Snowplow.
No, I don't snowplow. I do a nice curve, but I like to look at the scenery.
So you're at the best location to do some skiing, and we're more than happy if you would stay for all 3 days. Am I railroading you into skiing now or not? No, you mentioned it yourself.
Yeah, we can ski.
Oh, that would be lovely.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
Are you a skier too? Of course you are.
Yeah, I'm not too bad.
He's Canadian.
He's Canadian, yeah.
It doesn't mean much, but I mean, I can ski.
Would you also stay for some skiing here in Schladming-Dachstein?
Yeah, for sure.
I would love to see that. So maybe Sting, Brian Adams, Mick, skier?
Yeah, I ski a little bit.
Okay, you see, that's the next tour for the Three Musketeers on skis.
You like snowboarding, don't you?
I do like snowboarding.
Novelty. Well, I don't snowboard, but I just wish they'd get out of my way. I've been hit by snowboarders twice now, and I'm going to hit them next time.
Also, ein kleiner alle Snowboarder in Schladming-Dachstein sollten sich
Thanks very much.
vor Mick Hacknett in Acht nehmen. Er hat zweimal Unfälle gehabt mit Snowboardern, weil sie quasi in ihn reingefahren sind. Aber das heißt, alle Snowboarder räumen die Piste, wenn die drei auf der Bühne sind. What are you looking for especially, Brian, for your performance here in Schladming-Dachstein?
Just to see what kind of nice clothes I'm going to be able to get out of this for a nice warm, performance.
Good, good.
And I don't know, just kidding. I don't know. I'm probably just looking forward to the whole event. It sounds like it's going to be great.
It's going to be great, I'm sure, and you're going to open the event and then you're going to stay, as we heard, for at least 3 days. That would be lovely.
Yeah.
Also, wir bringen ihn, yes! Of course we want you to stay, aber ich glaube,
Thank you.
bring Sie da in Bedrängnis. Gentlemen, I need to ask this question because I know that Mick is a huge soccer fan, and I guess you're too. And are you at the moment watching the European Championship? All of you? So what are your thoughts at the moment?
England don't stand a chance.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think they'll make the semis, but I thought Austria are performing quite well. Pretty good side. I don't know who I
Germany.
I thought Germany looked really good in the first game, but that's because Scotland was so unbelievably bad. And it made Germany look good. When you saw the game yesterday against the Swiss had a fantastic defence. So it made Germany look a little... France reminded me of England. They kind of played a bit like England.
Yeah, they did. My tip is Spain.
Your tip is Spain?
I think Spain, they're so attractive to watch.
Truly.
So all bets go on Spain? You say Austria, you have to say Austria. Do you know that Austria-England is playing on the 30th of June? If it happens. So you think Austria will go further than England?
Probably.
Yes?
Hope so.
So, also,
Canadian.
also alle drei sind begeisterte UEFA Championship Observer und sie halten Spanien die Daumen. Sie wissen aber noch nicht, ob England rausfällt. Wenn das Spiel am 30. Juni Österreich-England passieren sollte, dann setzen sie eher auf Österreich. Is there anything we can prepare here in the region, Schladming-Dachstein, for you to make you as comfortable as possible when you
I'd
come?
like to hear a big cheer from the crowd here on their Austrian support for their football team.
I'm sure it will be louder when you are here. Sting, what are you looking forward? What can we do to make you feel as comfortable as possible?
Well, this chair would be very nice, but you've been very hospitable today, so I'm sure it's going to carry on. So I'm looking forward to coming back. We all know.
Also, große Gastfreundschaft, die ihm schon entgegengebracht wurde. Er nimmt vielleicht den Sessel mit nach Hause. Make anything you want to be happening when you come here, back in December.
What do you call it? Tafelspitz.
Oh, yeah.
I want some Tafelspitz, I want some Grüne Wettliner, some Braufränkisch. And, you know, I like all that food a lot. We cook it at home, so I'm happy to...
We will serve it to you. Tafelspitz, Grüner Veltliner und einmal Blaufränkisch. So, dear superstars, we are more than happy to welcome you back in December. It was more than a pleasure to have you here and that you stay a little bit longer because we are going to make some beautiful pictures with you. But now we have some presents for you. As promised, in the very beginning. You want to stay warm, you don't want to get cold if you return in December. And the governor of Styria, together with the regional partners, are going to give you some beautiful presents. That's the governor of Styria.
Later, Jose.
And it's very cold. There are some Loden blankets for you
Thanks a lot.
to stay warm.
Thanks so much.
Also, alle regionalen Vertreter sind mit auf der Bühne. I hope, is this warm enough for you, Brian?
Yes, I can't wait to wear it.
You're happy? Klaus, alles gut? Alle fein? Alle angezogen? Alle mit Decken in der Hand? Die letzte Decke haben die Steirer für euch rausgekramt. Und ein schönes gemeinsames.
Tantum verde lajša bolečino in oteklino pri vnetju v ustni votlini in žrelu.
Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo. O tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali s farmacevtom.
Onitek zdravilni lak za zdravljenje zmernih do blagih glivičnih okužb nohtov. Brez piljenja, brez odstranjevanja laka. Onitek. Resne težave imajo lahko tudi enostavno rešitev. Pred uporabo natančno preberite navodilo o tveganju in neželenih učinkih se posvetujte z zdravnikom ali farmacevtom.